This summer, ignite your child's passion for food and fun at Young Fan Cooking Summer Camp. Get ready to turn up the heat with a sizzling lineup of culinary adventures. At Young Fan, we believe that cooking is not just about following recipes, it's about unleashing creativity, building confidence, and fostering friendships. Our hands-on lessons are specially crafted for young chefs of all levels. Whether your child is a budding gastronome or a kitchen novice, they'll discover the joy of cooking in a supportive and engaging environment. From garden-fresh salads bursting with vibrant flavors to mouthwatering desserts satisfying any sweet tooth, every day at Young Fan is a culinary adventure waiting to be savored. At Young Fan, we're teaching kids how to cook and empowering them with skills that will last a lifetime. Our experienced instructors are dedicated to nurturing each child's culinary talents while fostering a love for food and creativity. Don't miss out on the summer adventure of a lifetime. Visit our website or call us now to learn more about our programs and to schedule a tour.